Hello everyone. Like promised, I will be showing you how to make the clump. Things we require for this video is a foam, PU foam, color, PVA, some water, a scissor and a container. First, we need to cut the PU foam into chunks or small pieces. The dices do not need to be equal because we will be grinding this in the grinding machine. After we've cut the foam into small dices, we need to take these to the kitchen and use the grinder to cut it into very fine small pieces. Now we will grind the foam and make it into small pieces. Let's start the grinding. Shreyans, will you help me with it?
Yes.
First, put some water on the foam. Don't spill it. Yes, put it all. Thank you.
Okay.
Now we have to put it in the mixer.
Okay. Uy.
Be careful.
Uy. Oh, but I can join this again.
We will put some more water in that mixture.
Okay.
You can take it from the sink.
I'm making myself clothes. So I can also do work.
Enough.
Enough.
Yes.
Now add it in straight into the mixer. Guys, look, this much.
You pour it
I'm
inside.
going to add it in here.
Enough.
This. All I'm adding.
Now close it. And then Papa will use the grinder.
Okay, now first we have to add this in here on top. Then you have to put this. Make sure you be safe with the grinder.
Shreyans, will you help me put the foam into the bucket? we need to mix the colors. For that, we need an empty container, color, glue, and some water. First, we pour some color into the container. Then we need to pour some glue on top of it. Maybe 1/3 of the color that we put in. And some water. Just a little bit, not much. Mix the color, Fevicol and water properly before putting in the foam in the container. Since I put in water with the color, I removed all the water from the foam mixer because then it would be very wet. Now let's color it. After we mix the foam and the color together, we need to take it out to dry. You should always put small batches so that it dries easily. Press them together. Depending on the weather, it can take anywhere between 8 hours to a full day for it to dry. After it is dry, your clump will look like this. They can be small pieces or chunks like these or like these. You can play with colors. You can opt for pink, fall, orange, whatever you want to. I hope it was helpful and you've learned how to make the clump. It's not that difficult if you have all the ingredients at home. It just takes half an hour to do the process. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos. I'll be coming back with more very soon. Leave a comment and press the bell icon. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more.